Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna go over a quick haul. I went to Hobby Lobby this week. I went on Friday and now I'm back at it at Tuesday because there's a different sale every single week. So everybody told me on my last YouTube video that Hobby Lobby trim does go on sale, and ba-bam, this is the week. So I went my pretty little butt, let me do this bag first, to Hobby Lobby. So first off, there's these like candy ornament, I don't know, they're clear things, 2 pieces, but I figure it's a cute way to like send goodies. And they were only 74 cents, normally $3, so I just happened to see those. Okay, then I got this one. It's a gold foil polka dot on a like blush pink ribbon. This was 50% off. That don't really look like a peach, but these were $1. So I got another one because just a little heads up, I'll be doing a giveaway at 1,000 followers. So I'm getting multiples of stuff so I can give to the winner. I got this like little braided satin looking one. I got this, of course it was unwrapped, somebody was probably testing it out. This little, it's like a iridescent, almost like a clearish, pearlish color for $1. This is heavy, there's a lot in here. Then I got a white version, see how they're a little bit different? This one's more of a clear, this one's more of a natural pearl. I got 2 of those. Then I got this one, it's not a, I'll try to show you the difference. There's like a iridescent, a regular pearl, and a clear iridescent. So there are 3 different colors. All for $1. That was all $1. Everything I've showed you right here is $1 or less. This guy was $2. So you guys know how I bought that gold leaf trim? There was none at this Hobby Lobby either. So somebody must have snatched them all up because they look like the Maggie Holmes Florist collection. Luckily I got one last week, so yeah, I'm excited. But I got a white one. I got a peachy pink color. And then I got a pink one. I couldn't remember if I bought this color or this color, and I think there's another color in between these two, but they were sold out. But anything duplicate I have is going towards the winning piles. Some more beads, these trims. This one's more of like a peach, definitely like a peachy color trim. These were all $1. This is better than the 99-cent store, you guys. Oh, then I got this clear pink one. Then I saw these 2 dies, these Minnie Mouse dies. These are going in 2 different swaps I'm doing, not Disney themed, but for 2 people that I know like Disney. Then I got these white sequins, just happened to see those. Then I got this tiny peach trim, and it's got gold foil polka dots. This was $1. Then I got this, it's like a rose gold faux leather looking trim with like a flower detail cut out of it. This was $1 as well. Got another one of these guys. Then I got this pink trim. This was $1. It's just like a cute baby pink color. Then I got this like gold and white trim. Whoops. This as well was $1 for, and I got this cream color with gold foil. Can you tell I like gold foil? Then I got a lighter natural color gold, so it's a little bit different than the rose gold. Different flower cut out of it. I got another one of those, so 2 of those, which means one's for you guys. Then this cream color with gold, but in a tiny version. See the bigger, and I got the smaller version. These are perfect for tassels. I mean, $1 for a lot of them, besides these like fancy ones. These were both $1 with gold polka dots and pink satin, just because I didn't have any in this thinness, I guess, is that a word? And I splurged on this one. This one was, these are the only ones that were $3.99, so they came up to be $2. This is that fabric that I bought the other day, and they just, you know, did a double stitch down the center, super cute and ruffly. but just in case my sewing disaster goes, you know, horribly south, I have some on hand. Then I got some of this Magnolia Jane fabric. It's from one of my swaps. Okay. You guys would think I sew wedding dresses and stuff with all this trim, okay? Then I got this paper pad. It's the blush paper pad. Super pretty colors. These are all new at Hobby Lobby, and it is double-sided. Super pretty by My Mind's Eye. Then I got some pink 5x7 and some mint 5x7 envelopes. These were 50% off, so they were $1.75. Then I got this cute little doodad. These were, I think, 50 or 40% off, so $1.50. It's a little butterfly. I figure I could add that to my, like, some of my spring. Then I got these. I've never seen these. They were on the end cap. They're pink and mint and gold foil sleeves, coffee sleeves. I figure I can make like little, my pal Crafty Destasher, her name's Myra, she sent me a loaded sleeve. It's basically like a loaded bag, and you could shove a bunch of goodies up in these sleeves. And so I thought that was neat, and I could, you know, send those as part of like a gift or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Oh, and then last but not least, these guys are $1. They're called plastic floss bobbins. These are $1 at Hobby Lobby. They are $2.99 at Michael's, maybe $1.99. But I have to use a coupon there. This $1, like, I don't even need to use a coupon for this. So they're much cheaper at Hobby Lobby, and I think you get more as well. Okay, now I can breathe. I'm out of breath from talking. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching.